So today we will be doing maxMod5 of Logic 1 on codingbat.com. The problem reads, given two int values, return whichever value is larger. However, if the two values have the same remainder when divided by 5, then return the smaller value. However, in all cases, if the two values are the same, return 0. Note that the percent or mod operator computes the remainder. For example, 7 mod 5 is 2. So we are going to have an int for our answer, which in the beginning will be equal to 0. And our first case is that if A is equal to B, then our answer will be 0. Because it says if the two values are the same, return 0. Our second cases are when the mod of each are equal to each other. In this case, if A is less than B, then the answer would equal A. Otherwise, the answer would equal B. If none of these cases apply, then we would do else. And within that else, we would do if A is smaller than B, the answer will be B. And otherwise, the answer will be A. And then we return answer. And it's all correct. Thank you for watching.